Hi, and welcome back. In this video, I'll go through the process of using a standard catalog. For this to work, you will need a CSV file with data. If you don't have that, you can download it from the link below. Start by creating a new project from a blank canvas, then go under Add-ons and enable Catalogs. Once enabled, click to edit, create a standard catalog, and upload your CSV file. We've now uploaded our catalog and made it available to use on this project. The next step is to display our catalog visually on the page. And for us to do that, we need to use our Catalog Presenter component. You will find this component by going under Tools in the left side menu, and then simply drag and drop it to your page. From here, you first choose which catalog the presenter should link to, and then click Confirm. What you initially see is the default template for displaying items in our catalog. This is of course something we'll need to customize, but as you might already see, the component generates a grid of items and displays them according to a predefined template. More on that later. Let's first check out a couple of important settings of the catalog presenter. First off, you can control the width of the component under Container Style, which is important because it's going to influence how many items will be shown in one line. If we, for instance, have a total width of 1000 pixels, with each item having a width of 250 pixels, then we know that exactly 4 items will be displayed in one line. To configure the width of each item, you'll want to go under Catalog Settings. Let's set the width of each item to 250 pixels. I'll toggle the layout mode off to see a live view of what we're doing. And as expected, we see that we have 4 items in one line. Now, if we go back under catalog settings, you can see that we can control how many items to preview in the editor, preview different types of templates in case we have more than one, control how many items to display on the live project, enable or disable the catalog presenter to show unfiltered data from the catalog when first shown, control the spacing around each item, and control the alignment of the items in the grid. With that being said, let's go into how to visually display the data from our catalog. First thing you'll want to do is navigate inside the catalog presenter. You do that by either right-clicking and selecting Enter to edit, or just double-tap the component. When you enter the catalog presenter, you'll be editing your item template. For now, we'll just work with a single template, which means that all the items from your catalog will be presented in the same way visually. At this point, it's just a matter of modifying the layout and linking it to the data columns from our catalog. Let's start by adding the product name. I'll just delete everything, then add a rich text element. Once I click to edit the text, I'll choose the Data option. This allows me to link the text to a data field in our catalog. I'll search for product name and select it from the list. Let's then add the product image. I'll add in an image component, double click to edit, and instead of using a media library, I'll want to again point it to a data field. You can change this from the top right corner. I'll search for the value product image URL and apply it. A quick tip if your images are not hosted anywhere is to first upload your images to your media library, then copy-paste their link into your CSV file. I'll quickly add a few more things and apply some styling. Let's exit the product presenter to see how the items now have changed. To fully experience our changes, we'll need to click Preview. As you can see, we are now successfully displaying our catalog data visually on our dot page. At this point, you can of course always go back and adjust the look and feel, add more data, or introduce more elements to your item templates. In the next video, you'll learn how to control which products to show by filtering the catalog.